In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slides in Google Slides vertical. Starting off the process of modifying your Google Slides presentation from a landscape orientation to a vertical one might sound a bit technical, but it's incredibly easy. And I'm here to walk you through every step of the way. This small change can make a significant impact, especially if you're aiming to design a presentation that stands out or fits better on mobile devices. First off, you'll need to log into your Google Drive. Head over to the Google Drive website and enter your email address and password, then click Next. This will bring you to the main dashboard where all your files are stored. Once you're in, locate the Google Slides presentation you want to edit. If you haven't already created one, now would be a good time to do so. You can simply click on New and then select Google Slides from the drop-down menu. Once your presentation is open, click on the slide that you want to work with. The next step involves accessing the File menu. You can find this in the upper menu bar. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear. Here you'll find various options, but the one you're interested in is Page Setup. Click on it to open a new dialog box. A default setting might be set to widescreen 16:9, which is the standard for most presentations. However, since we're aiming to switch to a vertical orientation, you'll want to change this. Click where it says widescreen 16:9 and a small menu will pop up. In that menu, select Custom. This option allows you to manually input the dimensions for your slides. But first, you'll notice it sets the unit of measurement to inches. That's not quite what we want for a digital presentation, so click on inches to change it. You should see pixels as an option. Select it. Now for the magic numbers, type in 1080 for the width and 1920 for the height. This ratio is perfect for creating slides that are optimized for vertical viewing, mirroring the aspect ratio of most smartphones and tablets. Lastly, all that's left to do is click on Apply. Voila! Your slide should now be set to a vertical orientation. You can now design your slide with this new layout in mind, knowing that it will display perfectly on vertical screens. Remember, switching your slides to a vertical orientation can not only make your presentation more mobile friendly, but also help it stand out. Whether you're presenting statistics, showcasing a portfolio, or telling a story, the vertical layout offers a fresh perspective that your audience will appreciate. And that's it. You now know how to change your Google Slides presentation to a vertical layout. Make sure to play around with your design to see what works best in this new format. Happy presenting!